Good afternoon from Walt Disney World. We are back in Orlando after our Hawaii vacation, and boy oh boy, we have so much to talk about and discuss. So much has happened since we've been gone. We were supposed to be here a little bit earlier to eat Be Our Guest lunch, but we ended up missing that reservation. So we're still gonna try to go. If not, we'll just try to find something else. I wanna ride some rides. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. We just got on the monorail. You do have to wear a mask on this form of transportation, but the plexiglass and dividers are all gone. It's kind of back to normal. The only thing, you still have ground markers. First things first, you do not have to wear a mask anymore here at Disney World if you are fully vaccinated. And if you have not been fully vaccinated, it's just going based off an honor system. Also, some of the cast members are not wearing masks. And the train station is still under scrim. Hopefully it will be all done by the 50th anniversary. And if you guys have not heard, Boo Bash tickets for this year's Halloween special ticketed event is now on sale. Opening night has been sold out and Halloween night has been sold out. So make sure you get your tickets if you feel like going, because it is pretty expensive this year. Looks like the confectionery is still closed due to a refurbishment, but you can still head over to the Main Street Cinema to have some of your favorite Disney snacks. Hello, Yellow Rabbit. It's Piglet. Pooh. Hello. Eeyore. And Tigger. Look at Cinderella Castle. She is looking good. It is a little overcast today, but I noticed this little gem is missing. If you look over here, we see the blue gems. Looks like this one fell off. Interesting. But we are still waiting for the big 50th anniversary emblem that is supposed to go right here. It's PCDev here. We have some breaking news as I'm editing this video for the 50th anniversary at Walt Disney World, which will be celebrated for 18 months starting October 1st, 2021. Disney will be offering 2 new nighttime fireworks shows. At the Magic Kingdom, we will be getting Disney Enchantment. And for the first time, this show will be fully immersive with projection effects that extend from Cinderella Castle down to Main Street, USA. And over at Epcot, Harmonious will finally make its debut. Finally, over at Disney's Animal Kingdom, we will have a new daytime show called Disney Kite Tales. First attraction of today brings us here to the Jungle Cruise because they have added some new show scenes that we need to check out.
Bella! Alright, well, guess we'll move on. We don't really have the time to wait for them to get back. There's way too much for us to see today. It's their laws, so we're out of here. There's a guy, leave them alone for 10 minutes and they go bananas. Well, at least they got my Jeep to turn over. Silver line on that one. Silverback line over again. So, anyway, bye, Ina. Yeah, bye, Ina. Just around. Well, folks, I'm going to introduce you to a couple of my friends I can hear about here today. They are a little bit more intimidating, so try to keep this cool, calm, collected, composed, very rose stage. All right, hold on. 16. Yeah, that worked. Okay. No one touching the water.
I don't know what this show scene will be, but it's going to be new.
There, that's
Not quite ready yet,
and behind the fence there,
as it's still under scrim.
Okay. Oh, that's none of your business. No, never going to win that way. But go ahead and get those cameras out and ready. We are coming upon the 8th wonder of the world. Sorry. You know, people actually think that's water they're shooting out back there. It's snot. Now, folks, no trip to our jungle is complete without a little stop by the gift shop. So, we do have our head salesman out here today. His name's Trader Sam. Oh. I guess he's closed up shop already, but he used to have this great sale. It was just 2 his heads for 1 of yours. Yeah, I guess he's out bargain hunting right now. Anyway, we are nearing the most dangerous portion of this expedition. It's the return to civilization.
Next up, let's go have a ride on Pirates of the Caribbean. Also, Disney has removed most of the ground markers and the queue line, so there's really no more social distancing at all. Disney is also seating in every single row once again.
Send him hints of Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink up, me hearties. Yo-ho!
Just stop. Key to the treasure.
Have a little old-time rum with old Billy, eh?
That was a fun ride on Pirates of the Caribbean, but check out these new pop figures. They are a Disney Park exclusive. We were about to grab some water and Bianca noticed these new Mickey Mouse misting fans. Nice. How much are they? $28.16. It's Cowboy Chip and Dale. Hello! Well, this is new. Look at Haunted Mansion in the background. I think that's where we're heading to next. Passing by the Hall of Presidents, and this show is still closed because it's being prepared to welcome the new president. And here we are, about to ride the Haunted Mansion. She's a beauty, ain't she? The stretching room is back opened. I forgot to record it because I was just so into it because I have not seen that pre-show in so long, it feels like. About to board our Doom Buggy.
Wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
The Haunted Mansion is always a fun time. We've rode 3 rides. We've been here for about an hour and 45 minutes, so the crowds are definitely not as bad today, which is a good thing. But we do have some rain moving in, so I think we're gonna go try to have lunch. We're gonna head to Be Our Guest first to show them we did have a reservation earlier, just to see if they can get us in. If not, we're gonna find somewhere else to eat. We still have not heard anything regarding the reopening of Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, but that could change any day now. I wanted to show you guys the back of Cinderella Castle. It's looking real good besides these clouds over top. But yeah, looks like all the pillars are painted already for the 50th anniversary. I found a character meet and greet, well, socially distant, but it's the evil stepsisters. And here we are at Be Our Guest. We're gonna head over here and see if they can squeeze us in. We got pretty lucky. I went to the booth and I just told the cast members that I missed my reservation. They looked it up and they were able to get us in. Right now, both lunch and dinner are prefixed menus now, 3 courses. We are really looking forward to this. I don't think I have ever recorded Be Our Guest, so we're very excited about this. Here we go. The thing I'm looking forward to the most is just the overall experience that you get with food, the entertainment, in the atmosphere. We got seated in my favorite room out of the 3 rooms that's offered here inside of the ballroom. Look how epic this looks. I feel like I'm in the movie Beauty and the Beast. We got seated right back here by the wall, which is pretty nice. And I was just told the Beast will be making an appearance at some point during this lunch/dinner. If you guys want, you can scan your phone to this QR code and follow along and check out the menu. This restaurant does offer beer and cider and wine. Of course, it is not included in the price. You do have to pay extra for alcohol. All right, so we're both going to get the French onion soup for an appetizer. And then for an entree, they have a lot to choose from, but I think we're both going to get the center cut filet mignon. And then for dessert, you get a trio, so you get a little bit of everything. For adults, you're looking at $62, and for kids, $37. Our French onion soup has already been brought out to us. It looks really good. We also have some bread to start with. So, as always, the French onion soup is very good here. It's always been good here. I wish it was a little bit more on the savory side because this French onion soup is more on the sweeter side, but it's still really good. Here comes the Beast. He's saying hello to everyone. Hello, Beast. Thank you for having us. All right, here is my entree. I went with the center cut filet mignon. Looks like it came with some mashed potatoes. Before I try it, I pushed everything off the steak. It's a nice looking steak. Okay, I know the lighting is off just a little bit, but it is what it is. We just got finished with our center cut filet mignons. We both got it. We both loved it. However, they do put a red wine glaze on top of the steak. I wish I would have just got it on the side because I feel like that kind of took away from the taste of the steak. So I do recommend to get the filet mignon when you're here. I always get the steak when I'm here.
As Devin mentioned before, I actually opted for mine on the side just because I like my steak very plain.
Yeah, I wish I would have done that. I thought it would be good, but yeah, let's get it on the side. It's dessert time. First up, we have a lemon almond macaron. We have the gray stuff, and chip is made out of white chocolate. And this one is a dark chocolate truffle. They look good. And Bianca got one, plus we got a cappuccino to share. We just finished up with dessert. My favorite thing was the gray stuff inside of chip, which was white chocolate. And this truffle had like a strawberry jelly inside. The macaron was pretty good also. I'm inside Beast's wing. This is also a very cool room. There's the enchanted rose, and then Beast's portrait right there, ripped up. So cool. I got a little bit closer to check out the enchanted rose. There's the mirror. This is awesome. Very well themed. When the lightning goes off, the portrait will change over to the Beast. You guys see that? Pretty cool. I'm now in the third and final room, the Rose Gallery. There's the music box that Belle's dad made for her. I love this place. The theming and the atmosphere, so good. As I'm looking outside, it's snowing. During the Christmas season, Disney will place a pretty big, nice Christmas tree right here in the center. One last look. If we look right here, we can see a hidden Minnie Mouse. Not Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. On the way out of the restaurant, you cannot miss this photo opportunity. Check out this beautiful waterfall. And then if we look up, we can see Beast's Castle. We enjoyed ourselves. That was such a great dining experience. And actually, that was our first time returning to Disney in-room dining because of the pandemic. We decided to stop doing indoor restaurants. So it was good to be back. Also, our server was amazing. I just like that place. If you guys can, come check this place out at least once on your Disney vacation. And if Be Our Guest wasn't enough for you, head over to Gaston's Tavern to have a Le Fru's Brew, one of my favorite all-time desserts here. Next up, we're heading back to Storybook Circus to have a quick update on the Tron construction. If we look past this goofy banner, we can see Tron, and that blue scrim is for the panels for Tron. So it looks like it's starting to go through with the paneling. I don't know. Let's get a little bit closer. Here we are, and we can see a ton of construction workers. I don't really see anything too new. Looks like, oh yeah, some of the lighting is getting done right now. The electrical work for the panels that light up. Other than that, besides the blue scrim, I don't really see anything too new. I hope they are back to doing work inside of the show building, but we don't know. This should have been open for the 50th anniversary, but COVID happened. Hopefully some point in 2022, but honestly, nobody knows. Oh no, as we're walking into Tomorrowland, looks like the People Mover has stopped. I will say, it is very nice walking around a Disney theme park once again and not have to worry about putting on a mask indoors and outdoors. Makes a very big difference. Oh yeah, the People Mover is down for today. I am noticing the concrete is changing here inside of Tomorrowland. Check out these signs. Tomorrowland, pardon our dust while we're working on a greater, bigger, more beautiful tomorrow. Here's some more of the concrete work that they're trying to change currently. Casey's Corner is still closed. Again, I have not heard anything of this quick service reopening. No more mask indoors. This feels really weird here at Disney World. Check out these cookie cutters. You can make a Spaceship Earth cookie and a Tree of Life. That's pretty awesome. Look at these new Disney Parks Loungefly backpacks. They're the new lime color, or mint. I think it's lime. I like it. They even have a matching Spirit jersey. Look at these Loki ears. Nice. And here's the matching pair of Minnie Mouse ears. We have some brand new merch themed around Luca, just released on Disney Plus. We have some t-shirts. Here's some toys. Looks like some plushes. More plushes. What else do we have over here? More toys. A cat. I have not seen the movie yet, so I do apologize.
Grumpy cat.
It does look like Grumpy Cat. Yeah, I think that's all. Just lots and lots of plushes. I noticed they now have Spider-Man bubble wands, not just Little Mermaid anymore. We're about to leave the park, and I noticed they have brand new Moana balloons. Moana and Maui. We are coming up on the new Polynesian monorail station, and from what I've seen online, it's looking pretty good. Check out the Contemporary. They have scrim on some of the outside rooms because it is under a refurbishment to what we believe will be incredible themed rooms. Here we are going through the new Polynesian monorail station. It's looking good. They still have a ton of work to do, but it's coming. It is about to rain bad. All right, my friends, that's going to do it for today's video. It feels good to be back inside of the Magic Kingdom. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video because I really enjoyed making it for you. I really enjoyed Be Our Guest. It was nice to be back inside a Disney restaurant. But that's all I have for you guys today. Please remember, it's nice to be nice. And YouTube, I'll see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out. This video is sponsored by Mickey Travels. If you're looking to book your next Disney vacation, go get your free quote today from MickeyTravels.com, as they never charge you anything to book your next Disney vacation, and they are one of the select few travel agencies in the world that are platinum earmarked by Disney themselves. Go visit my friends down in the description, click on the link for your next Disney vacation.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside.